Hey Noah, so we're gonna open this thing up?
Yeah.
Over here.
We're not just gonna open this up because it's from the hot Rotor and puppy.
Yeah. Open it up.
A train movie.
Mm-hmm.
And here it is.
The helicopter. Dinoco helicopter.
One.
Has two blades.
And this really do.
Cool. That was a pretty cool piece, man.
Yeah.
And then he starts flying.
And this little thing.
Yeah. Another. What is it? A rotor? I don't know. Oh, it's heavy. This is heavy.
But not
Pretty
for
cool.
me.
Come on, hold on. Let me see.
And it's from 1950.
From Lightning McQueen. Nice. Check that out.
I don't get this.
Dinoco helicopter.
Puppy.
Yes, you can go give it to the kitty. Check that out. Temples. Dinoco. This is a nice one. If you're into the movie, and if you're into these cars, I recommend you getting this piece.
Put open.
Very cool. So look, it says Dinoco on the bottom. Dinoco.
No,
Here you go. Cool, huh?
yeah.
Noah's been wanting to open in this one for a while.
I don't know.
Micah almost opened it. Yeah, very little. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Check it out. You like it, Noah?
Yep.
Nice. Say bye.
And peace.
Peace.